Morning.
Morning po.
Welcome to the ceremony that will unite Romel and Jaira in marriage. We gather here today to celebrate their union and to honor their commitment to each other. Today, Romel and Jaira proclaim their love to the world, and we rejoice with them and for them. No less than the family code of the Philippines tells us that marriage is a special contract of permanent union between a man and a woman entered into in accordance with law for the establishment of conjugal and family life. It is not an ordinary contract that one can easily break as he or she pleases. Marriage is the foundation of the family and an inviolable social institution. It is governed and protected by law. If there's anyone here who knows of any reason why these two should not be married today, speak now or forever hold your peace. Meron po bang tumututol sa pag-iisang dibdib ni Romel at Jaira ngayon? Ay, wala naman po. So, to the parents and godparents, you're here today as part of Romel and Jaira's community, and each of you has played a part in bringing them to this moment. Your presence here is very important to witness the union of Romel and Jaira, and to welcome them as a married couple into our society. So, Romel and Jaira, please answer me with yes, Judge. Okay? Romel and Jaira, are you here today to be married before me, a judge who is authorized by law to solemnize marriage? Yes. To the Ninongs and Ninangs, okay, please also answer me with yes, Judge. As their godparents and as witnesses to their union today, I implore upon you to guide Romel and Jaira to become good members of our community. Do you promise to help them?
Yes.
Yes, yes. Palakas po.
Yes.
Yes, okay. So, Romel and Jaira, please join hands together and declare your intentions before me and to those present here to witness your marriage. Harap po kayo na kami. Okay. So, Jaira, did you come here of your own free will to take Romel as your husband? Yes. Do you promise to bind yourself forever in love and service of your husband? Yes. Do you understand that you will be obliged to live together as husband and wife, observe mutual love, respect, and fidelity, and render mutual help and support? Yes. Romel, did you come here of your own free will to take Jaira as your wife?
Yes.
Do you promise to bind yourself forever in love and service of your wife?
Yes.
Do you understand that you will be obliged to live together as husband and wife, observe mutual love, respect, and fidelity, and render mutual help and support?
Yes.
Are you ready to raise and take care of children born out of this union? Sabay.
Yes.
So do you have the rings? So the wedding rings symbolize eternal love and commitment within a relationship. Rings are exchanged between two people on their wedding day and are worn to show the world that they are married. So please give your rings to each other and repeat after me. Si Romel po muna. Isuot niyo po yung singsing kay Jaira habang sinasabi niyo po ito ha. Sunod po kayo sa sasabihin ko. Jaira,
Jaira,
take this ring
take this ring
as a sign of my love,
sign of my love,
affection,
affection,
and loyalty.
and
Jaira, please repeat after me. I wholeheartedly accept. Jaira, I wholeheartedly accept with all my love.
all my love.
So, Jaira, suot niyo naman po yung sing-sing and repeat after me. Romel, take this ring
Take this ring
as a sign of my love,
the sign of my love,
affection, and loyalty.
affection, and loyalty.
Please respond naman, Romel. I wholeheartedly accept
We have to accept
with all my love.
with my love.
Wala naman pong aras, no? Wala na pa. And now that you have stood before me, exchanged these rings and these vows, by the power vested upon me as judge of the Regional Trial Court of Antipolo, Branch 100, it gives me great pleasure to pronounce that you are now husband and wife. Before we end the ceremony, I would like to remind you, Zaira, to love Romel, be faithful to him, and take care of him and your children. And to you, Romel, who love Zaira even more, to take care of her and your children, and to treat her as your equal and partner in life. Congratulations. You may now kiss the bride. Isa pa daw. Congratulations po, Romel and Zaira. Congratulations po sa mga magulang po ni Romel at Zaira. At congratulations po sa mga kamag-anak niyo rin o kasama. Okay po. Ipirmahan ko lang po muna ha, itong marriage contract.
Congratulations. Kuya. Tapos, kasal na po. Bata, mga anak mo. Thank you, Lord. Ipirmahan tayo dyan eh. Pirma tayo dyan. Kuya. Kuya. Kuya, pirma daw, kuya. Kuya, pirma daw.
Pababa na lang ang pagkakas.
Pirma daw. Kuya.
One, two, three, smile. Come on. One, two, three.
Pagkasal.
Yung family.
Hmm?
Sige po, both side family yung tulong mo.
Forward na lang tayo.
Dito ka. Yung sila.
Sige po.
Yung sila sa kabila.
Sige, hawak.